Hi there, I'm Terry with 2ubs.com, and gracing me with his presence behind me here is the 2014 Colnago C60 Italia. Contrary to everybody's belief, the C60 is not an updated C59. The C60 was actually designed to coexist with the C59 as its mischievous sibling. So why don't you hang tight for a few minutes while I get into some of the details here that explain why that's the case. Now the C59, as well as its recent predecessors, has been clouded by that stigma that it's the mature rider or Grand Fondo rider or perhaps double century rider's bike. Well, that's certainly the case because it rides so darn well. It is one of the best riding bikes that we have here, and it delivers great performance across the board. This is primarily due to Colnago's use of, if you will, a lugged platform here. You have multiple lugs connected together with tubes. That'll always deliver a better quality ride, a more comfortable ride, not as sharp, etc. Now that comes at a price though, because the frame will not be as stiff as a monocoque frame. Now alas, the C60, this is the C59's very feisty twin, if you will. And I should say identical twin because it is identical in its geometry, but it's a couple of ounces lighter and it's a whole lot stiffer. So this is a bike that you're going to see at the front of the 2014 Pro Peloton as far as winning sprints. We look forward to watching that here at 2ubs.com, and that's part of the reason why we really dig this frame here. They're putting lugged frames back to the front of the Peloton to win sprints. Again, Colnago's goal with the C60 was to achieve stiffness ratings, or that torsional rigidity that you'd see in a very high-end sprinter's monocoque frame. The way that they're able to achieve this is by increasing the volume of the tubes here between the lugs. So you see that they're going from a square shape up here, the head lug here, down to a massive rectangular shape at the bottom bracket lug. That's on the down tube there. You'll see similarities here in the seat tube and also in the top tube. At those areas of the bike, specifically in the lug sections, where that action or moment of torque occurs, they're using a lot of volume, but it's important to note that they're using less carbon, or a thinner wall, if you will, so that they're able to keep the weight at about 2 ounces below that of the C59. So just a few key notes I'd like to add about the bike. It does utilize or take advantage of dual cable routing, whether you're running a mechanical group or an electronic group, such as the Colnago Campagnolo EPS or Shimano Di2. Also the head tube here is tapered. Also they have a really clean forged dropout here in the back. And most importantly, again, this is a handmade in Italy lugged frame that's going to deliver a fantastic ride quality, like a fine custom tailored Italian suit, but again with ultra performance, again front of the Peloton. So you might ask now, is Colnago's C60 Italia the frame for you? Well, if you're that person that wants to be at the front of those group rides, those very aggressive group rides in your town or in your local races, yet you take pride in what you ride, yeah, hands down, this is definitely the bike for you. Well, thanks for spending the time with me here during my C60 introduction. If you have any questions about the C60 Italia or any other Colnago bikes, you know how to reach us at 2ubs.com. That's info@2ubs.com. Other than that, make sure you enjoy the ride.